Good day, people. This is another Instabond MDF wood demonstration. This time we're going to do a corner. Again, a small bead on one side, like that. What I like to do is, again, spray the other side. Alright. And now, you simply put the two parts together. And as I spray the other side, I don't have too much time to work with this. Okay? Now you don't have to spray the other side, but this is an advanced version. So now we have it nice. We take it and we tie it here to the applicator. Just like that. Do this in a well vented area, by the way. And there you have it. Now, give this another 10 seconds or so.